In order to draw a line parallel to the edge of a board, many carpenters prefer to use a marking gauge instead of a pencil. Marking gauges use a point to scratch a line in the wood fiber and typically have an adjustable head to set the distance from the edge of the board to the line. Although most marking gauges are simple devices, 19th century inventors inevitably came up with elaborate patented models. Here are two examples. One was patented by Richard Bates of Pennsylvania in 1896, and the other by Charles Winslow of Rhode Island in 1900. Both have adjustable heads, which are designed to follow a curved edge, and in the case of the Bates patent, one with a beveled